So I have to find a way to just increase the span at which this lever moves back and forth when you are doing the gear selection or the speed selection. I have to sand a small part of this and this, and maybe a little bit of this, but I don't think this one is vital because when it moves it leaves 1 millimeter or 2 millimeter gap, which I think is okay. I just want to make sure that when these parts move in within, they don't jump or get into contact with other things, except they leave a space so that I can get to see how this part engages to the small gears.